allegedly. I'm just saying.
But I'm still alive.
3, 2, 1, action.
So hello everyone, it's Harvey and I'm back for another video, and I hope you guys are having a great time and welcome back to my channel. Yes guys, you guys have seen the title of this video today. I hope you guys are doing amazing, and yes, let me know in the comments below. So in this video I will be talking about what I've been doing lately and why my perception as a stylist and someone who works actively in the corporate world and service industry has changed.
This ain't no allegedly.
Yes, I was introduced to this system by the Dream Green Show. This is a YouTuber who specializes their channel or have created this niche on the channel where they talk about dividend investing. I never knew about that until I was watching one of his videos, and I just want to say shout out to the Dream Green Show because you have changed my perception on how to one day be able to retire from the work world and do what I love to do, which is creating content, you know, and just building and talking about hair, dealing with people, loving everyone, and just sharing my knowledge for the next, you know, group of new stylists and stuff like that. And I just wanted to make this video. So dividend investing, I didn't even know how to, you know, I saw the title, it was like how to make $100 a month with passive income. I was like, wait, what's the, you know, because I was like, I've always wanted to follow my dreams, but you know, it's like, oh, you're working on this to pay the rent. And I was like, okay, I need to make a living also. And I kept thinking to myself, I was like, okay, you're about to go bankrupt if you're not careful. And I had my savings from my previous job, and I was like, wait, this, you know, and I've already watched a video from someone, Tommy Bryson, who told me that stop saving and start investing. And I was like, wait. And I must be frank with you guys. Ever since I started that, my perception and thinking has really changed. And then now I find out about dividend investing. Honey, it's like the world of investing just takes to a whole different level, and I've been begging people to teach me about it, but they refuse. So now doing my research myself and learning from all these people, I just want to say thank you guys so much. The Dream Green Show.
Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Zeke and welcome to the Dream Green Show.
So when I saw this, I was like, okay, wait, you mean if I buy this, you know, stocks? Now I now know about buying stocks that are growth stocks and also dividend stocks. This is so sickening. And Weibo.
Yeah.
This ain't no allegedly.
That's my shit.
Thank you so much, guys. This app called Weibo, it's a lifesaver. You guys, you see it in my link. If you want to start investing and escape the corporate plantation, according to Sain, you have to start thinking about investing. Start little.
I'm just saying.
Start little because you never know where it will take you to. I must be frank with you. At this point, if I stop being a stylist today behind the chair, I'll be fine. So that's why I'm just looking at the economy right now. I'm like, okay, you are evolving. Accept it. And now, the Dream Green Show has shown me another path on how to make passive income while working actively to pay the bills. And I cannot say thank you guys enough so much, because what I've learned from you guys is that investing does not discriminate. Investing does not look at color. Investing looks at your brain, your finances, and your stocks picking. What companies do you invest in? And I've been looking for a world where my skin color does not affect how I grow or, you know, the impact I can make. And I finally found it. It's investing, people. I love you guys so much. That's why I'm telling you this. If you feel you're being trapped in a world, start investing little by little. On Cash App, you can invest even as little as $1. I got my first dividend and I started crying. I got $1.81 for investing in Apple stocks. And I didn't even, when I started, I was like, wait. When it came, I was like, what is that? Wait, what? That's when I started believing that there's something, you know, the impact of what dividend investing can do.
Oh my God.
And as we speak right now, I have over 100 shares of Apple, and I also have about 20 shares of Tesla. And that is among my 44 different stocks that I'm invested in. I'm invested in Pfizer, Neo, Xpeng, the Charge Point, Blink, Sundell, 44 different companies. If you add my other portfolio, I'm invested in about 50 different companies, and these are not like 1 share, 2 shares, they're like 100 shares, 100 and something shares. And I must be frank with you guys, the best way to grow your finances, your savings, is through investing. And now dividend investing have been introduced to dividend investing from the Dream Green Show. I love that name, the Dream Green Show. And I just want to say, the Dream Green Show, I love it so much for giving us this opportunity and teaching us about dividend investing. This is when you invest your money in a company that pays, you know, like a percentage, saying, oh, thank you for investing with us. This is the profit we made for the month or the year or quarterly. Here is your share as a shareholder. I was like, wait, you mean I am having a life beyond being a stylist? Because sometimes when you're a stylist, people are like, oh, you're just here to do my hair and make me feel amazing. But you're also a human being. You know, you've seen these people get married, have big kids, traveling, selling their houses and moving on, and you're there and your life is just stagnant. You're struggling just to pay the bills and the rent, to keep the doors open. And I was like, wait, I cannot live my life like, it's been almost 10 years and I'm now taking a loan from people, from someone to take care of myself. And I was like, wait, this makes no sense. So I've been planning on working on how to get out of the corporate plantation for good, okay? And dividend investing is the best way to go. So I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know that if you are not investing, you're a damn fool. You are a freaking damn fool. You have to, guys. I'm saying this because these are the people I've learned from. The Dream Green Show, Tommy Bryson, Chris Sain, Uncle Larry, and yes, am I missing someone? I think I'm missing someone. I know I'm missing someone, and they are all of color. And I then realized that, and Stockmore.
And yeah, I said it.
These people have changed my perception about how I see the world today. I don't see myself as, okay, you're a stylist that have a salon that you're trying to pay the rent of the salon so you can, you know, take care of your guests. Not to feed yourself, just so you can keep the doors open because of COVID. COVID has made me realize, like, you've always wanted to have more than one source of income rather than making $50, $100 a week. Now you now have another part to let the money you have worked so hard from the corporate world to now work for you. And that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm glad. Guys, I must be frank with you. When I started seeing the effects, I just started crying. Because I was like, if I was doing this all this while, I've been begging people to teach me about it since 2016, 2017, my life would have been at a different place right now. Because it makes no sense if you're working in your career day after day and you're still stuck in, you're like, okay, something is not right. That's why I was like, okay, I have to do this video and come on here and give you guys that talk. If you are not investing, you are a damn fool. So please, you guys, please consider investing. Even if it's little, just start somewhere. It will change your life so much. Guys, I used to dread, like, oh, I used to wish, oh my god, I can't wait for the weekends, you know, so I can have at least 1 or 2 persons in the salon to get their hair done. Now I don't even look forward to the weekends. I wanted to go from Friday to Monday 4 a.m. like Monday 3:50 a.m. Guys, let me show you my phone. Look at my alarm. This is how my alarm is set now. Alarm 3:50 a.m, 6 a.m, 8 a.m, 9 a.m, 9:30 a.m when the market opens for everyone, and 11 a.m. Before, my alarm would be just 11 a.m. or 9 a.m. But now I look forward to, can we skip from Friday to 11 or to Monday? I don't want Saturdays and Sundays, like Saturdays and Sundays, and oh yes, you're a stylist. So I always tell people, in the daytime, I'm a stylist, but in the nighttime, I'm an investor. I'm a content creator. You always have to think outside the box and spread your nets.
This is unrealistic.
I'm just saying.
Because if I decide I can go to the salon this week or next week and say, oh, hey guys, guess what? I think this is the end. It's time for me to retire. It's been almost a decade and I'm not going anywhere. It's time to move on. And that's what the power of investing has done for me. And I want to share this with you guys. The Dream Green Show, thank you so much, because with you I now know what is called dividend investing, and I've made it my mission to start doing dividend investing. Pfizer, I already have Pfizer, I already have Apple, I want to add AGNC, I want to use the profits I'll get from the other growth stocks to start investing in AGNC. I have AGNC, I also have ET, I'm adding IVZ. You know, I'm investing in dividend investing so that way I can start making passive income while also growing my portfolio. And yes, the dividend investing changes your mindset, guys. I don't know how to say this to you guys, like, please, I don't care, guys. Even if you start investing with $1, $10, just start somewhere. You never know. Especially Cash App gives you the opportunity to invest with $1, $10. That's how I started, and now I have Cash App and Weibo. I have 2 portfolios, and I must say this, looking at the performance of both portfolios, I can actually retire this minute from being a hairstylist. So if COVID continues this way and this country is shut down, I would just go into trading and doing my videos full time, and I'll be fine. Yes, which is, this time last month I could not say that. I couldn't say that. And it has also changed my perception how I do people's hair now, because when I do people's hair now, it's like, I'm here with you, I'm here with you. I'm not thinking about, oh my god, because I'm like,
Look, my face is getting so red. Woo!
but I'm here for you guys. I love you guys because I've been doing this for so long, and I've known you guys for like 6-7 years. That's why I'm still doing this, you see. But dividend investing is giving me a way out, which I'm happy about, because if it continues, I may have to end this chapter. And I've paid my dues. My goal, I never knew I would still be behind the chair trying to make money to just keep the salon open. After all these years, I thought by now I would be teaching, I would be on the platform, traveling with people and doing hair, pink, gold, you know, different avant-garde colors. But life happened, and now I have to reevaluate. And yes, investing is like, bitch, this is the way to go. You can make passive income, you can make growth income, you can make great income from your already saved money, rather than keeping it in the bank for it to just sit down there. And also you can create wealth without being worried that, oh my god, because of the way I look I will not get the promotion, or because of the way I look, you know, that's why I will have to work 20 times harder than my counterpart just to be given or take this. I don't have to think about that any longer, and it's so humbling. So the Dream Green Show, thank you for introducing me to that dividend investing. And I want you guys to know, those that watch me, you have to consider the best stocks. There are dividend stocks that pays monthly. I've seen some of them. I was like, oh my god, let me show you a list. I have a list of them so you guys can see that I am not joking with dividend investing. There are, I think, 5 stocks that I love so much that I have to look into.
Don't you ever say I never warned you.
If you're thinking about dividend investing, I'll show you 5 stocks that pays monthly when you invest in them. One of them is called the SPHD. It's called the PowerShares SPA and S&P 500 High Dividend Low Value stock. This stock pays monthly. Okay, so you buy as much as you can if you want to be paid monthly while not working, so you make money while in your sleep. Then we have the LTC Properties. This is another stock that pays monthly. Always buy them on the dip. I now know stocks that I never knew before. Then we have Prospect Capital. This also PSEC pays monthly. Buy as many as you want, and it's inexpensive compared to some stocks. It's like $5 plus. Sometimes if it grows a little bit, maybe $6, but it pays monthly. And we have Main Street Capital, also known as Main. This also pays monthly. So AGNC also pays monthly. So if you're thinking about stocks to buy that, you know, you get dividend returns on a monthly basis, these are the stocks. If you're worried like, oh my god, if I start investing, how would I make money the next month? These stocks pays monthly, so think about it. It's very important. And then there are those that pays quarterly. And I didn't know all this until I started watching Sain and the Dream Green Show. I I can't believe that. You know, it's like when you know better, you do better. Okay, I love you guys so much. Please go do your research on investing. You may be surprised. You just might be surprised. Anyway, I cannot wait to see you guys soon in the next video. I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys that yes, Weibo, I fucks with Weibo now. I fucks with Weibo because when I think they've seen the amount of, you know, transfers I've done and how they've all cleared, and now when I, you know, when I do a transfer, they give me the instant buying power because they know that they will get it immediately. Like when the transfer goes through, they see that, oh, this person was not lying to us. So yeah, Weibo, great job. And guys, if you want to start investing and you're into investing, thinking about how to grow your wealth without stressing yourself and thinking about, oh my god, I have to go listen to that manager that I cannot stand, or I have to go work with those people that hate me already but they are pretending to be around me because they know that I work like a machine, start investing, because that may just be your way out of retirement, out of that corporate plantation. I have to be honest with you guys. Yeah. Wow. My goal now is to invest to the point where my house rent can be taken care of just based off of investing, and then after that I'll be like, okay, salon, I'm sorry, it's time to say goodbye. Yeah, because the only reason why I have the salon is because I love what I do, but if it starts eating into my savings even more than I can handle, I'll tell them, okay, that's it, I'm done. Because some of my guests that I love so much, they're actually moving away. So it's like, well, okay, why are you still doing this? The people that you've been with for so many years, they're selling their houses and they're moving away, and you're stuck here doing what? It's time for you to also move on to the next level in your life. Okay, I love you guys so much, and I cannot wait to see you guys soon in the next video. And I just came on here to give you guys this little secret of what I've been doing behind the scene. And yes, sorry that I have not been posting videos every day like I used to. Now it's because I've been investing, but yes, I'm also editing the videos and, you know, the salon, so I'm always on the go. Okay, if you don't see me, know that I'm in the bed editing your videos. And this week I have more videos for you guys. Okay, from Sain and DAWSON Studios. Bye guys. Yes.
'Cause I'm loving myself real good.
Did you guys hear that? I'm scared.
In a way that you never